For musicians who need portability without sacrificing full-sized keys, the 88-key folding piano presents an intriguing option. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. Designed for travelers, students, and casual players, this compact and lightweight digital piano offers 128 built-in voices, USB MIDI connectivity, and a rechargeable battery for up to 8 hours of playtime. At just $69.99, it's an affordable and functional tool for practice and basic music creation. But does it truly deliver a satisfying piano experience? Let's dive into the details. Design and build quality. The main selling point of this keyboard is its foldable design, allowing it to be easily stored and carried in a backpack or small travel bag. Weighing less than 4 pounds, it's one of the most portable 88-key keyboards available. The included tote bag adds extra convenience for those constantly on the move. However, some users have noted that the lightweight build makes it feel more like a toy than a serious musical instrument. The plastic construction is not the most durable, and some buyers reported that certain keys stick or don't spring back properly after extended use. Additionally, the hinges, while well protected, may require careful handling to ensure longevity. The lack of weighted keys is another factor to consider. Unlike traditional pianos, this keyboard does not have velocity-sensitive keys, meaning pressing harder or softer does not change the volume or tone. For beginners, this might not be a major issue, but for more experienced players, it can feel limiting and unnatural. Sound quality and features. With 128 instrument voices and 128 accompaniment styles, this keyboard offers a variety of sound options, making it fun for experimenting with different musical styles. However, built-in speakers are not the strongest, and the sound quality is described as thin and artificial compared to higher-end digital pianos. This is somewhat expected in a budget-friendly, ultra-portable keyboard. Fortunately, the keyboard supports USB MIDI connectivity, meaning you can connect it to a laptop, tablet, or DAW, digital audio workstation, for recording and using higher quality virtual instruments. Many users noted that this feature makes it a great MIDI controller, even if it isn't the best standalone digital piano. Other notable features include musical note transposition options for adjusting pitch, musical note basic demo songs and accompaniments for beginners, musical note sustain pedal support for more expressive playing, musical note 3W built-in speakers and headphone jack for private practice. However, the interface for selecting instruments and accompaniments is not very user-friendly. Instead of using a number pad or direct input, users must scroll through options using arrow buttons, which can be frustrating. Battery life and connectivity. One of the biggest advantages of this keyboard is its built-in rechargeable battery, which provides up to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge. This makes it perfect for outdoor practice, travel, or situations where a power outlet isn't available. The keyboard uses MIDI over USB, making it compatible with most music production software. However, some users were disappointed that it only supports USB MIDI and not traditional 5-pin MIDI ports. Additionally, the inclusion of a micro USB port instead of USB-C was a downside for some, as newer devices are increasingly shifting towards USB-C compatibility. User experience and performance. For beginners and casual musicians, this keyboard is a great entry-level option. It offers a full 88-key layout, easy portability, and decent MIDI functionality, making it a great travel companion or practice tool. However, advanced players may find several limitations, such as prohibited no-weighted or velocity-sensitive keys, making dynamic playing difficult, prohibited lower-quality built-in sounds compared to professional keyboards, prohibited flimsy plastic feel, with occasional key sticking issues. Some customers mentioned that using external headphones or connecting to a DAW greatly improves the experience, but as a standalone instrument, the keyboard is best suited for practice rather than performance. Pros and cons. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Heavy Checkmark Ultra Portable and Lightweight, perfect for travel. Heavy Checkmark 88 keys for a full piano playing experience. Heavy Checkmark MIDI over USB, great as a MIDI controller. Heavy Checkmark rechargeable battery with up to 8 hours of playtime. Heavy Checkmark budget-friendly price, $69.99. Heavy Checkmark sustain pedal support for added expressiveness. Crossmark cons. Crossmark no velocity sensitivity. All keys sound the same regardless of pressure. Crossmark built-in speakers lack depth and power. Crossmark plastic build feels cheap and some keys may stick over time. Crossmark micro USB instead of USB-C. Crossmark no traditional 5-pin MIDI port. Final verdict. Who should buy it? The 88-key folding piano is a solid option for beginners, travelers, and musicians looking for an ultra-portable practice tool. Its foldable design, built-in battery, and MIDI connectivity make it a convenient, budget-friendly keyboard for casual playing and learning. However, if you are a serious pianist looking for realistic sound and feel, this may not be the best choice. The lack of velocity-sensitive keys and weak built-in speakers mean it is better suited as a MIDI controller or an entry-level learning tool rather than a full-time digital piano replacement. For the price, it delivers great portability and functionality, but don't expect high-end performance. If you're looking for an affordable, full-sized keyboard for practice, travel, or basic music production, this is a fun and practical choice.